Across the vast savannas of Africa, a golden blur streaks across the landscape. This is the cheetah, the undisputed champion of speed on land. Capable of reaching astonishing velocities, the cheetah embodies nature's pursuit of pure, unadulterated speed. Its very existence is a testament to the power of evolution, shaping a creature perfectly adapted for the thrill of the chase and the drama of survival. However, this remarkable feline faces an uncertain future. Once widespread across Africa and Asia, cheetah populations have dwindled drastically in modern times. The reasons for their decline are complex and multifaceted, a sobering reflection of the intricate challenges facing wildlife in the 21st century. Understanding the cheetah's remarkable adaptations for speed and its intricate hunting strategies is only the first step. Equally important is appreciating the multitude of threats they face, from habitat loss to human-wildlife conflict. The cheetah's story is a reminder that the natural world, in all its breathtaking beauty and complexity, is a delicate balance, one that we must strive to protect for generations to come. The cheetah's speed is a result of specialized anatomical features working in harmony. Its lightweight frame minimizes bulk, aiding acceleration. Long legs act like springs, propelling it forward. A flexible spine maximizes stride length. Enlarged lungs fuel its bursts of energy. The tail acts as a counterbalance for rapid turns. Its spotted coat provides excellent camouflage. This helps in ambushing prey and avoiding predators. Black tear marks reduce glare, enhancing vision. The cheetah's hunting strategy is a fascinating blend of explosive speed and calculated precision. Relying on their keen eyesight, they scan the savanna for potential prey, primarily gazelles, impalas, and other small to medium-sized ungulates. Once a target is identified, the cheetah will stalk its prey, utilizing whatever cover is available to get as close as possible before launching its attack. The chase itself is a breathtaking spectacle, a blur of motion as the cheetah unleashes its incredible speed. It can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a mere 3 seconds, its lithe body transformed into a missile of muscle and determination. However, maintaining such high speeds is incredibly energy-intensive, and a chase rarely lasts more than a minute. If successful, the cheetah will trip its prey with a swift swipe of its dew claw, a specialized claw that acts like a soccer cleat, providing extra traction. However, the challenges don't end there. Exhausted and vulnerable, the cheetah must quickly secure its kill, often facing competition from larger predators, eager to steal its hard-earned meal. Section 4. A race for survival challenges in the 21st century. Despite its remarkable adaptations, the cheetah faces an array of threats to its survival. Habitat loss due to human encroachment, agricultural expansion, and climate change is shrinking the cheetah's hunting grounds, forcing them into closer proximity with people and increasing the risk of conflict. Competition with larger predators, particularly lions and hyenas, is another significant challenge. These animals often view cheetahs as both competitors and potential prey, frequently stealing their kills and even killing cheetah cubs. The cheetah's naturally low reproductive rate makes it even more difficult for populations to recover from such losses. Furthermore, cheetahs are often targeted by poachers for their distinctive spotted coats, which are highly sought after in the illegal wildlife trade. The illegal pet trade also poses a threat, as cheetah cubs are sometimes captured and sold as exotic pets, despite the fact that they require specialized care and vast spaces to thrive. Section 5. Our shared responsibility: securing the cheetah's future. The cheetah's plight is a stark reminder of the interconnectedness of all living things and the profound impact human actions have on the natural world. Protecting this iconic species requires a multifaceted approach, addressing the complex web of threats it faces. Conservation efforts must focus on preserving and restoring cheetah habitat, mitigating human-wildlife conflict, and combating poaching and the illegal wildlife trade. Educating local communities about the importance of cheetah conservation and fostering coexistence between people and wildlife is crucial. Supporting organizations dedicated to cheetah conservation, such as the Cheetah Conservation Fund, is another vital step in ensuring the survival of this magnificent species. These organizations work tirelessly to protect cheetahs through research, education, community outreach, and anti-poaching initiatives. The cheetah, with its breathtaking speed and elegance, holds a special place in our collective imagination. It is a symbol of the wild, a reminder of the incredible diversity and wonder of the natural world. It is our shared responsibility to ensure that this majestic creature continues to grace the savannas for generations to come.